A man accused of taking a Boston police officer's gun and then firing it earlier this week appeared in court today, but there was no public defender to represent him, and he wasn't the only defendant left without legal representation. The reason, public defenders throughout the state, they are refusing to accept new cases until they receive fair wages. Our Jericho Tran has more on what this means for the public in a story that's all new at 11.
This is Elvis Houghton. The 46-year-old is charged with assault and battery on a police officer, drug possession, and resisting arrest after allegedly shooting himself with an officer's gun outside of Massachusetts General Hospital on Tuesday. And while he, like everyone else, has a constitutional right to a lawyer, no public defender was able to stand by his side today.
The lawyers are on strike, so I can't appoint a counsel for him.
With public defender bar advocates refusing to accept new work until they receive wages comparable to surrounding states, defendants like Houghton may find themselves standing alone in the courtroom.
You want to know what your immediate future is? You're going to be held into.
There were numerous custodies in Boston Municipal Court, Central Division. The judge there held every single one of those over to tomorrow without an attorney.
By law, a person cannot be held longer than 7 days without an attorney, which Massachusetts bar advocate Mark Perkins says will result in serious consequences for the public if this work stoppage continues.
They have to release them without any conditions after 7 days. So here's someone who might be released, who could be a violent criminal, released back into the community.
If somebody doesn't have a lawyer and they're released to the street, after 45 days, that case could get dismissed.
Right now, public defenders make $65 an hour. As independent contractors, bar advocates do not receive benefits and claim their yearly salary totals about $42,000 a year after taxes and expenses.
It's not fair compared to what we're being paid in the surrounding states, and it's caused a mass exodus of lawyers. There are not enough lawyers representing the indigent population in Massachusetts.
With public defenders refusing work statewide, for defendants like Houghton, who is being held without bail until his next dangerousness hearing, there's still a level of uncertainty as to what will happen with his case.
And hopefully by then we'll have a lawyer for you.
Now, this work stoppage has happened before, back in 2004, and the legislature only took bar advocates seriously once those cases started to pile up. And bar advocates that I spoke with say that they are prepared to continue this work stoppage for as long as it takes until they receive a wage increase. At Boston Municipal Court, Jericho Tran, NBC 10 Boston.